Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we're gonna be making this wonderful Ogbono soup today. But before we get right into it, please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification button. Let's get right into it. All right, so we're gonna put our cow head into our pot. Yes, I'm actually using a pressure cooker. Yes, a pressure pot, so that I don't want to waste time cooking. Cow head take a lot of time to cook, so we're gonna use our pressure pot so it could be fast. I'm gonna add little onion, and then I'm also going to add my blended pepper and onion also into this. Yes, I love pepper so much, as I mine is much, but you can put any amount of pepper according to your pepper intake. Yes, just gonna season it with my seasoning cubes and my salt. I'm also going to add hot water because I want to hasten the cooking time in the pressure cooker. Yes, so that it will like I just want to spend like 10 minutes doing this, right? Yes, so just you know stir it, just make sure everything sink very very well. Yes, before you cover it. And as you're covering your cooker, make sure if you're using a pressure pot, all the risks we've been hearing about using pressure cooker and all that. Make sure it's tightly closed. Okay, just leave it done for like 10 minutes. And yes, I think this is done. So before you open your pressure pot, please make sure it has cooled down, because it can actually blow up on your face. So our meat is done, set and ready. Just make sure your pot cool down. All right. Yes, see, it's looking so nice, and the pomo is looking very very soft. The skin is very soft, and this is how I love it. Okay. We're going to be cooking right now. So we're just going to add our boiled meat, our cooked meat, into the pot we're going to use. Yes, we're just going to throw everything in there, including the stock. Yes, make sure you don't cook anything without stock. It gives it one very nice flavor like that. So we're going to add our yellow pepper. Yes, love yellow pepper very very well. Just add pepper according to the amount of food you're cooking. We're going to add our chopped onion also. Yeah, you can also put, I don't like plenty in my soup but this particular one, I don't know, I'll just let it put this amount, but either ways it's actually still good. Just put any amount of onion you like. Then we're gonna put our dry ogiri. Some people call it ope. You can also use your locust beans if you like that. Then we'll also add our blended crayfish. I love my soup to have enough crayfish. I love the scent of it, the smell of it. I love everything about crayfish. Yes, so quickly we're gonna add our seasoning cubes, to make it all tasty and all that. We're also going to add our salt to taste. Yes, just put according to the amount of meat you're dealing with for your soup. Okay, we're also going to add some warm water into this. Yes, so that will just hasten the cooking time instead of adding cold water and all that. We're going to give it a quick stir. Yes, just make everything become a family inside that. Yes, we're going to cover it real quick, and then don't forget to add your stockfish. God, I almost forgot this. Make sure you add your stockfish so that you can boil with every other thing. So we have our ogbono here. Yes, we're just going to add hot water. You can also use warm water, but I prefer hot water because it makes us get the required texture and feel that we want. Okay, please, I don't know, I've never tried cold water, but I don't think it's advisable to actually dilute your ogbono with cold water. Do you get? So just make use of warm water or very very hot water. I love very very hot water because it gives me that wonderful slimy thick texture that I want. So we're gonna stir this real quick. As it's already getting drawy kind of stuff and thick. Yes, so that's it. We're gonna cover it and allow it to sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. And this is it. We're just going to open it, and you can see it's already very, very thick and nice and ready to be cooked. Yes, so we're going to add it into what we're cooking. Yes, and give it a very, judicious stir into the stock. Yeah, make sure you stir it very, very well so you can actually circulate around the food. Though even if a boil, it will still do the same thing. Yes, we're also going to add red oil into this. Most people actually dilute their ogbono with red oil, but I think that's the best way. This is my style, so I think I actually love it this way. Dilute it with hot water, get that wonderful texture, and then just use red oil on the food. It's still the same thing, so anyone you want is very, very acceptable. But I love this one because everything about it is just so nice and unique at the end. So this is it. After a while, you can see how wonderful it is. The color, the red oil has gone into it. The ogbono has gone into the stock. Is now the main ogbono soup that that one see, and that's what we're seeing. Okay, so this is it, looking so nice and mouth watering already. So we're going to add our uziza leaf into this. Yes, I love uziza leaf in soups like egusi or even the ogbono. It just gives it this unique flavor, unique taste that's actually nice for soups like that. Yes, so after stirring, we're also going to add our ugu leaves. Yes, we'll add our ugu leaves into this so that all the both leaves will settle down and just get their flavors into the soup. Yeah. So we're gonna stir this real quick. Yeah, just circulate this round. Yeah, it's already looking so wonderful. I feel like even eating it right now. So this is what our soup look like already. Wow, 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 looking so nice. My God. You can have this soup with any swallow you want. You can have it with eba. You can have it with corn flour. You can have it with fufu, with semo, with wheat, anything that you touch. So thank you guys for watching. Please do well to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering content. Just subscribe, hit the notification button so you'll never miss our latest update. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.